What will you do if there's an earthquake? Anong gagawin mo?
We can hide in the table.
Under the table?
Yes.
And then?
We are safe.
We are safe if we hide under the table?
Yes.
And then, what else?
Kasi if the tables have a big roof. Kasi it's have a big umbrella roof.
Pag big yung ng table, you're safe. And then, what else?
And then, kasi the earthling will not use the elevator.
Oh, do not use the elevator. Very good. What else?
Kasi there's a fire extinguisher into the room of elevator's room.
And then?
We get them.
And then what we gonna do with the fire extinguisher?
We put them into the hiding place. Kasi hide natin ang fire extinguisher baka mabasag.
And then?
We are safe now.
Kasi may-use siya pag may fire.
Kasi we go into the green. Kasi we see a green, we find a hiding spot. Kasi when there's a green sticker.
Ano yung green sticker? What does it mean?
It means in hiding place. The green sticker, people will go there.
It's a sign.
It's a sign.
If we see a green sticker, the people will go there.
Yes.
Ano ba yung green sticker?
Yeah, para mapuntang people.
And then, what else?
And then,
what else?
Tapos we're safe into the green spot.
And then, what else?
Tapos, ko.
Galing naman.
How about playing together in the baby?
Not yet. Pwede ba tayong mag-run pag may earthquake?
Yes.
Why?
Kasi, nalock ang airplane nalock. Tapos, tapos, ang papa ko, ilaw niya ang fall. Tapos, ganyan niya.
Ano yun?
Kasi strong si papa mag-hit ng falling steps. Tapos, tapos, ang airplane in toy bus. Tapos, mag-play na sila
Mag-play, may earthquake?
Yes. Kasi, when the earthquake stops,
pag mag-stop na.
Yeah, kasi tapos pag nag-earthquake na, mabasag ang pag nag-earthquake.
Quake.
Tapos nabasag ang ilaw.
Pag mabasag yung ilaw, anong gagawin?
Hindi siya mahulog dun sa big table. Kasi sa big roof
kasi big roof yung table. So, dapat pala may table tayo, no? Na big.
Yan.
How about that table?
Kasi
yung table natin is not safe.
Hindi, the table.
Kasi it's not big enough
Hindi, that one can be safe.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What if Papa will be the one to hide under the table? It's not enough for Papa. Papa is too big.
Hindi mag-hide siya dun sa...
Enough lang yan kay Chase. Kasi Chase is small. Papa is big Small yung table Small yung roof niya.
Hindi mag-hide si Papa dun sa kitchen.
Sa kitchen na lang. And then?
Mag-use siya ng flashlight.
Mag-use ng flashlight. So, we need a flashlight pag may earthquake. No?
Yeah. Then Chase will go in the kitchen to hide there. Then Chase will go in Papa's kitchen to hide there.
Kasi may table dun sa kitchen. Yung hard na table.
Kasi hindi pa. Kasi ayaw ng table. Kasi may butas man may butas
Oo nga. Dapat dun yung table na hard, no?
Yeah.
The hard.
Hindi. Mag-hide si Papa dyan. Si Chase, mag-hide dyan. And then si ate, hide dyan. And then si mama, hide dyan
Hide tayo doon.
Kasi...
ganun pala yun.
Yeah. Kasi when it's safety, we use a flashlight to bring out the light into the kitchen.
Para mayroon tayong light sa kitchen kasi baka mag-brown out, no? And then?
We use plenty of flashlights.
Okay.
Yeah, we use the green flashlight, we use red flashlight, and then we need
Ang dami colors pala.
Kasi we need rainbow flashlight. Kasi it makes a rainbow song. It makes okay.
We're talking about earthquake.
Kasi it makes a rainbow. Kasi mag-music.
Ano bang nangyayari pag may earthquake, Chase?
Tapos nahulog ang pictures. Nahulog ang papa picture. Nahulog ang mama picture. Tapos nahulog ang his picture.
Oo, bakit ano bang nangyayari sa ground? What happened to the ground
Kasi
when there's an earthquake?
Kasi and then
The ground, what happened? What
kasi
happened?
the earth made a shout
Ano nila?
Tapos ni-shake niya.
Na-shake. Na-shake yung ground.
Diba? Tapos
Oh. Nag.
Tapos nag-shout siya.
Oh, anong shout mo? Ano i-shout?
Nag-shout ang earth. Nag-shout.
Ano bang i-shout?
Ang earth.
Ang earth? Nag-shout yung earth?
Yeah. Tapos ni-shake niya.
Nag-shout ang earth. Yun pala, yun. Ma-shake yung house, no, pag mag-earthquake. Galing naman. Do not use the elevator. So, what we're gonna use? The stairs.
Kasi the elevator is broken.
Be broken.
Kasi hindi broken ng block.
Pag may earthquake, na-broken yung elevator.
Kasi na-broken siya. Kasi na-hit siya ng block.
Blocks. Kaya pala.
Tapos niput niya ng no.
No. So, butang lagyan pala ng no sign.
Kasi tapos ni-draw ang line. Ganyan. Tapos ni-draw ng circle.
Ano yung circle?
Kasi ni-draw niya ng circle. Tapos ni-put ng ganyan.
Warning sign. Means no.
Kasi the
okay.
elevator
Yung circle, tapos may ganyan. Okay.
Tapos na-broken. Tapos the elevator is broken. Tapos sa supermarket.
Pag nasa supermarket, anong gagawin?
Kasi ang elevator ng supermarket broken din.
So, halimbawa, kung nasa elevator, nasa supermarket ka, tapos nag-earthquake, anong gagawin mo?
Mag-hide natin ang fire extinguishers.
Kuhanin mo yung fire extinguisher.
Kasi hide natin ang green fire extinguisher. Hindi.
Pag walang food, anong gagawin? Ma-stuck. Pag ma-earthquake.
Hindi, may hiding place siya ng small hiding place
Pag doon nga tayo sa hiding place nga kasi.
Kasi we get the green fire extinguisher and then we hide it.
Bakit magdala tayo ng fire extinguisher?
Kasi i-hide natin ng green fire extinguisher. Hide natin ng red fire extinguisher.
Why?
Kasi hide natin ng small Bobby on fire extinguisher ni Cheese
Bakit nga?
Kasi para hindi siya mabasag.
I-protect pala yung fire extinguisher para hindi mabasag.
Kasi i-protect ko ang color fire extinguishers para hindi mabasag. Tapos i-bring ko ang rainbow fire extinguisher.
May rainbow fire extinguisher ba?
Yeah, with a stick of unicorn. Ganyan, kasi he's have a horn.
May horn.
Tapos he's gonna fill out, kasi he's gonna spit out the rainbow. Ganyan. Look at this.
Ganyan pala. Ganyan.
Kalabas ang rainbow. Kalabas ang colors dyan
Ay, oo nga. Ang galing naman.
Tapos itabon natin
Itabon? Itabon.
Kasi i-hide natin ang plenty of fire extinguishers.
English, Bisaya na Tagalog. Natabon. Tabon.
Hindi, i-hide natin ang load of fire extinguishers.
And then?
We save, and then we stand them.
Stand them.
Tapos,
And then?
we close all the doors.
Why? Why do we need to close the doors?
Para hindi mapunta ang mga blocks.
Okay. Oo nga naman. No.
Yeah, tapos ang doors have a big shield
It's a big shield.
Kasi sabi like this. Kasi it makes a sound.
Oh. Ang galing naman.
Nagwiwi pa ako ha.
Sige. Thank you for the information.